Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Ten of Cups, Death. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel the energy is, guys, that you are really, feeling very secure and happy where you are right now. This may concern your work or in your relationship, where you are with this person. You are really happy how things are going, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be buying some property, or you are really happy how things are unfolding, guys, today. Maybe some of you all will be investing in some properties or some financial investments, guys, and you are really in that state of contentment, extreme happiness in your heart, that you are achieving what you are planning for in your life, and your life is going in such a way that you are really happy. And certain things are changing, guys. Maybe in this relationship with this person, there are marked changes in your relationship. You feel some things are coming into place today. Maybe you are getting a message from someone, or somebody is delivering some message, or this may be your friend, somebody, guys. And you may, for some of you all, you may feel that someone is working against you, or they are considering you as a competition. This may concern your work, so somebody competing with you or considering you as their rival, something of that sort, guys. And they may be talking behind you, or they may be working against you. So you may be realizing this, and you may feel some kind of sadness or stressed because of that. So someone is trying to go against you, guys, trying to put down your work, or put you down in your relationship. Somebody is trying really hard to do it. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. And something is definitely coming to an end, guys. Maybe this rivalry, or you may change your how you handle things. You may change yourself. There may be some kind of emotional traumas for you all today, and you may try to overcome it in a different way. And you are growing emotionally, guys. You're trying to control your emotions. So you are trying to express yourself in a different way. So something of the old is coming to an end today, guys. This may concern your work or in your relationship. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up with the other cards, guys. Letter, Mountain, right, Garden, House. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel, just like I said, you are getting an important message, something which will help you to overcome your rival or your competition, or you may be working towards something to make your work stand out, guys. So you are struggling to find that find that new whatever it is, something new you may be working on, that will make yourself different. It will differentiate you from others. So you're working on your uniqueness, guys, maybe for some of you all. And maybe you feel you are taking up some new choices. You are working with a free spirit. You are not taking into consideration what you have learned from your past. You are just letting go of your preconceived ideas, whatever it was, and you are trying something new today, guys. You are trying to change yourself. So this may be your energy, guys, or this may be your person's energy. They may be trying to change themselves to come into this relationship, or you may be trying to change yourself to come into this relationship, and you're working on your emotional, at an emotional level, spiritual level, and in the intellectual level. So you're trying to change yourself, you are molding yourself, guys. So you are planning to have a stable, quiet, happy relationship with this person, a warm, comfortable relationship, a cozy relationship. So you are trying to mold yourself for this relationship. That may also be the energy here. So you like this person, you want them, and you are trying to change your ways just to be with them, and you're also getting an important letter or information, guys, today. And maybe for some of you all, you are going out to meet with friends, or you are going to meet this person, or you're going to a party or something like that to celebrate with your person this new change or that is coming in your life. Maybe you want to step into a committed relationship with this person. That may be the new change that is coming into your life, guys, and you are celebrating it with friends and family for some of you all. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. What is the angels' guidance today? Trust the flow. So with this card, guys, sometimes life throws us many gifts and many challenges also. So in order to overcome that, whatever we face, we have to see that it is all a part of a divine plan. Whatever is happening in our life, it will happen, guys. So everything is destined in this world. So we need to think clearly. Sometimes certain things we are able to change, but certain things we will not be able to. We will not have any control over that situation. So when we face something like that, we just have to understand that it is a part of the divine plan. It is a part of the plan, the universe. So things are happening in a particular way. So we need to have trust in ourselves, and trust in the universe, to think that everything happens for some good. So it will only help us to mold ourselves and to make ourselves know about our life's purpose, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Scorpios. So the angels are telling us to stay strong and be unique in our own way, and do not let others dictate your path, but whatever you feel is correct within your heart of hearts. So in any situation, sometimes when we have no control, over a particular situation. We have to just think within ourselves and we have to do what our intuition tells us. That will be the loving guiding hand of the universe, guys. So you have to trust whatever comes our way. So that is the energy with this card, Scorpios. That is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.